Ready?
You want to give him the little one?
Yeah.
Here, Maddie, throw it.
Give me the racket.
Throw it over on the rocks.
Go throw it on the
Go
rocks.
throw it, dude. Go throw it.
Throw it on the rocks.
I'm going to show you how to do one.
How did you manage to do that? It
Ready,
didn't
Maddie? I'll
pop.
show you.
Ready, look.
Throw it up high.
Watch.
Ready?
That got the whole courtyard wet.
Hey, Maddie.
Maddie,
Look.
that's yours.
Throw it.
Hey, get out of there, Romy. Get out of there.
It just flops around like a fish.
There's enough. That's yours right there.
Look, Maddie. Here, throw it.
Throw it up high.
Fuck. Oh.
Throw it on the rocks.
Ready? Want a bigger one? Get out of there, Romy.
Here, take
Romy,
the
get out.
Maybe if he throws it into the sharp tree.
This one. That one. Over there on the rocks.
Nice.
Good job.
Putting more water in that one.
Which is kind of